I'm Marty from Best RV in Chola, California. We're here at Best RV presenting you a brand new 2025 Astoria fifth wheel made by Dutchmen 3603. 3603 is 36 feet, fifth wheel, bunk model, has two bedroom, two bathroom, kitchen island, and a king size bed. So let me show you what the major features Dutchmen Astoria provide. Number one, it has a nice aerodynamic cap painted. This is a paint, not a decal, with nice LED light in the front so you could see when you hitch up the unit. We have the Kurt Retroflex Kinpin box with the rubber mounting here to eliminate the shocking on your pitbull. As you see on this unit, I love this unit. They provide you with the two big power awning with LED lights, which is covered, if you notice, from the end of the unit all the way almost to the front. This unit has already 200 watt solar panel, uh, beautiful gel coated fiberglass. Look how shiny it is, and we don't do nothing to it, just wash and clean it because it's a gel coated with aluminum frame fiberglass. Huge basement storage. Look how big the storage, and this is a proof for you. It's aluminum structure, not a wood structure. Over here, we have a nice bracket for your TV, for outside TV. So I could put up my 32-inch TV. There's the hookup. Even they give you the bracket. Nice outdoor speakers. And again, all the sliders slide out on the Dutchmen Astoria come with the slide toppers. So protected from leaves, rains, pines, and so on. They give you outdoor kitchen on this unit, which is mean the fridge where you can put your beer, sodas. You have the grill come with it. Sit here on a quick connect, LP quick connect. I love about this unit, they give you the ladder in the rear. That's a plus. And then it's already camera prep, class 3 hitch, pass-through storage. Underneath the bunk room in the back, look how deep it is. It's very deep. And here you could put your bike rack, your bicycles. Now the storage in the back, where's the bunk room, and the bunk is accessible both way. So you have this way and that way. So you have full storage. And then you have a nice slide out with the slide toppers in the top. In this hot water heater. And then we have another pass-through storage. Everything is in one docking stations for your black water, gray water, sandy flush, LED light with aluminum frame, auto leveling. That's a big deal. So I could do the auto leveling right here. And then we have the nice LED light on this track. Two propane tank, one on this side and one the other side. Room in the front in case if you decide to put dirty stuff. I like about it, the spare tire is covered. Over there in the corner, I have my slide, what's called solar control panel in the corner. Additional solar hookup. So what it is actually, they give you another plug here in case if you want to put additional solar. Already come with the solar already on the roof, but if you have extra one, like those suitcases, the one they go on the floor, you can plug it in there. Let's go inside the Astoria 3603 LFP. Now, one thing about the Dutchmen Astoria, what I really personally like is I like what they offer, the 3-year warranty on it. So you have a 3-year structure, 1 year tip to tip, and 12 years on the roof. I like another advantage, look how low the step. So make it easy to get inside the unit. Folks, we're inside the brand new 25 Astoria 3603 fifth wheels. It's amazing how beautiful this is. Now, I'm gonna show you things even normal houses they don't have. It has, as you notice, it has a beautiful kitchen island in the middle with LED light inside the kitchen counter, which is really slick. So this and solid surface countertop, not just in this island, even in the area behind me. And they give you everything you need from the kitchen. Like for example, it has the waterfall, sink. It has also the tray for the crew. It has cup rinse, soap dispensers, cutting boards. So they give you everything you need for that kitchen. Coming over here, so you have the nice door for silverware, two trash can, one for recycling, one for disposable. And then you have another full storage underneath the sink. You put your chemicals or cooking pans. Look how deep it is. So especially if you have a big family. A lot of silver doors. You have 1, 2, 3 on this side, 1 on the other. And by the way, they're self-closing. Coming over here, they give me 30-inch microwave and a nice prep area next to my stove. 3-burner range stove with the oven. And then you have a nice cooking pan. I call it, cooking pan doors, or, it's beautiful. I mean, a lot of people coming to this unit, they think it's a warmer, which is not. Another more storage. You have another pop-up socket here with the USB plug, 110 plug. Look how big the fridge. 1-door freezer, 1-door fridge. It's very roomy and it's a lot of doors. A lot of rooms. Pantries. Look how deep this pantry is. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have all this full pantry for you. And then we have a nice smart TV with a fireplace and a stereo system and more closet in the top. 2 big theater seating with a middle console. Oh, where's my drink, please? And then a cup holders and a place here for your remote controls. They come with a nice, beautiful table and bench. So this unit, it comes with a bench. So you could put the back area for the bench. Sorry. And it has Velcro. Yeah. Voila. How is it? Nice bench. You have a nice bench with a 2 chair. And I guess if only you and the wife, you could just use the 2 chairs and hide the bench and use it as ottoman for your feet. So this come with it. Beautiful. Now, that's as a pantry. And if you said now, hey, I got a family of 6 and a lot of kids, well, guess what? What do you need more than this? And they are adjustable shelves. So you could take it and put it in any position you want it. So you have portable shelf, pantry, closets, canned food, you name it. You have plenty. I don't know what to say. I can't find enough words for how big they're beautiful. And again, they look like a house. Residential with a nice locking mechanism. So this is the nice living area of the 3603. Now, what I really like about it is the separations between the bedroom in the back and the bedroom in the front. So if you're coming over here, you have a nice, bed, fixed bed. And again, this is the storage underneath. This is the storage we showed you from outside. Also is the storage from inside. And then physically, I mean, really, I need 2 adults here with no problems. 1 adult, or if it's 2 adults, no question asked, you could sleep 2 over here. And you have a bit counter space here. So they have a breathing machine or laptop or iPhone. There's 110 and USB plug there. Big closet. Look how deep it is. Hanging clothes. And then you have doors here for tin underwears and socks for the kids. So you sleep 2 people here, and then again you could sleep. Let's put this nice there. I like the handles. And again, you could sleep 2 kids here easy. They have even place for their TV and more closet for them. Each of them has windows for wind circulations, air conditioning unit, so they could wash. And then there's 2 TV hookup here. Now you're gonna ask me why you have 2 TV hookup. Well, you could put a TV here for this bed, and I could put a TV here on a swing arm for the lower for the other bed. So I could put 2 TVs here if I want to, or I could put 1 TV here for both. And then you have a door here if you want to leave early. And then they have their own bathroom, which is they have a really nice sink with a closet and a toilet. So this is the 3603. The kids, they have their own bathroom, they have their own room, they have their own storage, they have their own closet, they have their own TV, and they have their own full privacy, so you don't have to worry about the noise. This, and you have separations from the living room as well the bedroom. Now, going to the main bedroom, then you have more storage here. So everything is hidden as the controllers. Going to the master bedroom, look how beautiful it is. You have a nice king size bed with lights, USB plugs here for breathing machine or laptop or iPads, doors for socks and underwears, or storage. They have their own TV, so this unit comes with a TV in the bedroom and the living room, but the bunk you could add it. We could add those TV for you. And it has a place here for washer dryers, as you see. This is the outdoor barbecue grill. This is your power cord. And then this one I could put a combo or stackable. So I could do either or. Another closet here. Look how roomy and has a plug. And I like the coloring and the look is very modern. So this unit has also AC in the bedroom. So this unit is actually 3 ACs. So you have an AC in the bedroom, AC in the living room, AC for the bunk. So 3 AC units, and auto leveling and 2 power awning and porch lighthouse. Look how beautiful this master bathroom. 2 vanity for his and her. More storage, more closets, porcelain toilet, no issue, then a shelf, and again you have big shower. Voila, no water's coming out, skylights, and the big showers. So this is what I call it a house on wheels, or 2-bedroom house on wheels. It's a perfect. You guys need to come by it. And you go take the kids, take whole big family with you, and go enjoy the camping. So this is a brand new 3603. Now the major, I want to point this one because we have limited quantity. Show me anybody in the state of California will sell you a brand new 2025 Astoria 3603 for $65.99 and no hidden fees, just tax and license.